everybody. We are at Hyannis Transport Authority. Let's see what happens. If I did that, whew, be trouble. How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you? How's it going? What are you filming?
Anything I can see in public?
For what is it for?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
You do YouTube?
Yes,
Video?
I do. Hippie Auditor, check me out. You'll see yourself.
Awesome.
5,000 plus views. Well, so far so good. Same color as your bag.
What?
Same color as your bag. It's a nice fan. Go on, nice man. Jump the pump. Hello. Wow. Be awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that, but what's going on, bud? Oh boy. Good luck.
The sea line gate 5 for Central Hill off the road match to be found in the loophole. Just take 3 to the mall, Cape Cod Community College and Barnstable Village. The sandwich line will indicate 6 by Hyannis Street, West Main Street, Sandwich, Sagamore Park and Running Board, and the Buzzards Bay train station.
No, just checking out my building.
Who you with?
Who am I with? What do you mean?
Like, why? Who you with? What are you doing?
I'm a news man.
All right, can I see your credentials?
Do I need to show you my credentials?
No,
Can I
I'm
get
just
your
wondering
name?
what you're doing here.
Can I get your name?
Why would you like my name? How about you first?
Well, how about you? You're asking me questions. You're a public employee, right?
Yep.
So give
I'm
me your
Scott.
name.
I'm the facilities manager. I'm just wondering
Okay.
why I'm being recorded.
Am I allowed to record in public, nice man? You ever hear of the First Amendment?
I have, yeah. I'm just interested in why you're here for.
I just told you what I'm here for. I'm a newsman. I'm filming.
Okay. What's your
Okay.
name?
Hippie.
Hippie.
Hippie auditor.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I see a card or something?
Who gives out press passes? Do you know?
Who gives out trespasses?
Press passes.
Our security guard as well as police.
Oh, well. You ever hear of the First Amendment?
Yeah, I have.
Well, so what are we talking about here? Filming in public, not legal?
Just curious.
Yeah.
Oh, he's harassing me, actually. I've got it all here on film.
I doubt if you would.
He wouldn't give me his name. He's a public employee.
I did you.
Can I get your name, nice man?
Sure, Henry's somebody asking.
All right, am I allowed to be here?
What is it?
Am I
You have
allowed?
absolute
Okay.
right to be here.
So
I was just wondering what
Yeah,
you were
no,
doing.
no,
That's
no.
all.
Just-
I told you like 3 times,
Yeah.
but you kept asking.
I'm sorry, what was it?
Yeah, he just wanted to know what I'm doing. I told him I'm a newsman doing a news
Yeah,
story,
no, that's fine. That's
but he just didn't want to leave me alone.
fine. I think that's exaggerated.
You're a nice man. Fist bump.
Thank
You
you.
have a
Yeah,
wonderful
good luck
day.
with that.
What's that?
I said good luck with that.
Oh, it's just something
Well,
I do for
whatever
fun.
you need to do, you do.
Thank you very much.
We
You
just
got-
like to know what's going on. That's
Well, I
all.
told him like 3 times, but he wanted to push
Yeah,
it
but you
further.
can just
You know,
rephrase
you
it,
can see
right?
the video. You know, maybe he needs a little training.
Yeah, no, go for it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
You have a wonderful day, and you as well.
Okay, go.
Hey, Scott. Any chance you can help one of our drivers back out of the driveway? He broke down. Thank you. Scott is on his way out now to help you back out there.
How you doing, ma'am?
Okay.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
Well, see what I mean? Well, as you can see, a little resistance, but out here in the north, I don't know. People don't care. Peace, pot leaves, peace, pot leaves. Let's go hit something else.